What's up, everybody? Andrew here with
Franco. What's up?
We are in the Santa Fe Mall. Why are we in the Santa Fe Mall? Because we're gonna see a 2-story penthouse that is literally right across the street. You're gonna wanna see this one. This is the Santa Fe entrance that we just walked out of. We're gonna walk across the street and to that gate right there, and that's where the penthouse is, up there.
All right.
All right, well, a lot of light, I see that.
Natural light, that's the first thing you're gonna notice.
Look at this view,
here.
hold on, let me go over here.
Second part is the view.
Yeah, they had their cat mesh here, but this is amazing, look at this.
Yeah.
There's the mall down there. Let me see if I could put the camera out there. There we go. There's the mall down there. And then that is the beautiful city.
So this one is 162 square meters, which is just above 1,700 square feet. 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Right now we're standing in what would be your living area. Behind me could be used as a dining area. I think the owners, when they were living in here, that's what they had it set up as. You have your living area, your TV set up here up against the wall, L couch around here, and then the dining table for your traditional dinners back here. And then over here, to prepare your traditional dinners, you would have your kitchen here.
Okay, I don't like how this is enclosed here, so
yeah,
we asked the owner if we could knock that down, and she said that you can, so
yeah,
that would definitely go down.
That would
I'd
be
open this all up.
To open everything up.
And then I would probably knock this wall down too.
And just open the entire area.
Have this whole open area, because look at this. You even have more space over here that's not being used. So this could be your kitchen / laundry area back here.
Right.
And if you wanted to, you could knock down this wall as well, because if you open up this door, Franco.
Yep, we got extra closet space here that could be used for
under the stairs. So this could be a little bit extra area if you wanted to, or you could leave it as a closet. So let's go into, we're not gonna go up the stairs yet because we're gonna take a look at this first room right here, which could be used as an office area. It could be a bedroom.
Could be a bedroom, could be an office space.
It's big enough to fit a king-size bed, but it would be a tight squeeze. I think this would be better with like a queen. But it has its own bathroom. It's got a full bath. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. And this is the first full bath. The first half bath is over here. We missed it, Franco.
We did, yes.
Yeah, let's go check that one out.
I wanted to show the view first. That's why we skipped it right
I was just
away.
captivated by the view, and I forgot that there's the
half bath right at the entrance.
Bath right here. The light doesn't work in here right now. I don't think there's a bulb in there, but this is the half bath here.
Yeah.
Okay. So we just got this one listed, but I do know that the owner has had it listed for a while. She wasn't aggressively pursuing to sell it. But now, after talking to her, she said that she's very motivated to sell. So the listing price is at about $380,000 US for this apartment, or this 2-story penthouse. But she's very motivated. So if I were the buyer, I would make an offer and see how low she would be able to go. But yeah, so we just came up the stairs, and this area over here,
this would be your balcony / terrace up here.
It's like a little terrace here.
Amazing view of the city.
Yeah, and you've got this view of the city here.
Yeah. And the location is what I love the most, because you are close to Santa Fe, you are close to Avenida Poblado, and on Sundays they do ciclovia. So if you want to go out on Sunday mornings to ciclovias, you just go down the hill and you're already there.
Yeah.
And this is a safe neighborhood as well.
Okay, so let's go back in here. So here's, for context, so that you know where we are in the apartment, these are the stairs we just came up. And then if you go to the left as you come up the stairs, there's a little hallway, and you get into the next full bath here, which is right here. Full bathroom. That's for this bedroom over here, which is bigger than the one downstairs. It's right above the one downstairs.
Yeah.
Obviously has a great view here. The ceilings are pretty high.
Yeah, they are high. You got enough for a ceiling fan to be installed here as well.
And yeah, it's definitely got headroom there.
So we'll go down the hall. We'll
go down the hall. There's that full bath over here.
Left over here to the other bedroom. Remember, there's 4 bedrooms in the entire apartment.
Yeah. So this is the other bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great space.
Yeah.
This could
easily fit a queen size bed in there.
Easily.
And then it's got its own closet here. This one does not have a bathroom in it because remember, it shares the full bath over here. And then this is what would be the master room, right?
This would be the master bedroom that has access to the terrace right here that we were just in. And then, you know what I love about the master bedroom here?
What?
Is the windows. So just step back a little. You have windows that are the entire wall here, so you're gonna get a lot of natural light, a lot of breeze coming through as well.
True.
So I think that's just
imagine
beautiful.
waking up to this in the morning.
Yeah, exactly. Right. And if you don't have kids or if you don't have pets, you could just take off the mesh so that your view will be not obstructed.
Okay. And then the master bath is here. This is the closet space here, walk-in closet, and then you've got the vanity there, and you've got the bathroom here. So this apartment would definitely be a candidate for something that I would live in. But if I wanted to rent it out, I could. You could probably get about $3,500 per month as is right now. If you did remodel it and make it look really, really nice, probably a lot more than that, maybe 4,000 bucks a month. The thing is that you can't do daily rentals here. You can only do monthly rentals. All right, Franco, tell me about the amenities in this one.
Yeah, so we have a swimming pool, which is right behind me. You also have a jacuzzi, sauna, Turkish bath. You have a children's play area, a gym, a little mini basketball court, and you have a squash court as well. You have 24/7 security in the building, and all of this is 900,000 Colombian pesos, which comes out to be around $245 a month.
The worst part about buying property in Medellin is the fact that there is no MLS. You can't do comps on websites like Zillow, etc., because it doesn't exist. That's why we've come up with the MLS, called the Medellin Living Search System. We take your criteria and search our database and multiple databases across the city to find you the perfect property. So if you're ready to buy within the next 30 days, your budget is over $150,000, and you want to use our proven system, click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible.